Hi everyone, welcome back to Amaze Math, and today we're going to review or rather revise a past paper, KPSEA, which stands for Kenya Primary School Education Assessment, a 1 hour 20 minutes long paper. So for all candidates who are sitting this exam this month in 2 weeks, I wish you all the best. So make sure you read all the instructions keenly, take your time, all right? So all those are the instructions. Now we'll just go right away into the questions number 1. So on the side we have the working space, and make sure you utilize it properly. Number 1, the number of people in a certain country is 565,052. What is the number in symbols? So on the working space we can start. So we have 565,000. I'm gonna use color blue. All right, 565,052. So it's going to be 0, 5, 2. And the answer will be C. Number 2, the number of loaves of bread produced by a factory in a certain year was 3,624,817. What is the place value of digit 6 in the number? So on the working space, we can put the number and put commas, 24817. Right, so let's start looking at the place value for each and every number, and you always start from the end. So 7 is under ones or units, 1 is under tens, 8 is under hundreds, 4 is under thousands, 2 is under tens of thousands, and the number we are concerned is under hundreds of thousands. So the correct answer will be B, hundreds of thousands. Okay. All right, let's go to number 3. A bookshop received 648,205 exercise books from a supplier. A school bought 76,102 of the exercise books. How many books remained in the bookshop? So in the bookshop we had 648,205 books. So from that, a school bought 76,102. So to find out how many books are remaining, we do minus. And we start from the right side. So 5 minus 2, we start on the unit side, or rather the one side. 5 minus 2 is 3. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 1 is 1, comma. 8 minus 6 is 2. 4 minus 7 is not possible, so we borrow 1 from 6 and it remains 5, and this one becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 5 minus nothing is 5. So the answer will be 572,103, and that will be D. At the beginning of the year, there were 1,204 girls and 816 boys in a school. During the year, 88 more girls joined the school and 12 boys left the school. What was the total number of learners in the school at the end of the year? So we need to find the total number of students. So we had 1,204 girls. Then we had 816 boys in the beginning of the year. So let's see how many students did we have at the beginning of the year. 4 plus 6 is 10, so 0 carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then 2 plus 8 is 10. 0 carry 1. 2. So at the beginning of the year we had 2,020 students. During the year, 88 more girls joined the school. So we'll do the total plus the 88 girls that joined. So 0 plus 8 is 8, 2 plus 8 is 10, so 0, carry 1, and then 1 plus 2. Let me just rectify this part. So that is 0, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So 2,108. Then 12 boys left the school, so we minus 12 from this. A minus 2 is 6. 0 minus 1 is not possible, so borrow 1 from here. This one remains 0. That one becomes 10, so 10 minus 1 is 9. 0 minus nothing is 0. 2 minus nothing is 2. So the answer will be 2096. The answer is A. Okay. Let's move on to number 5. Okay, a lorry carried 1,452 cartons of textbook. Each carton had 24 textbooks. How many textbooks did the lorry carry altogether? So we need to find the number of textbooks in total. Okay, so we had 1,452 cartons, and in each carton we had 24 textbooks, so we multiply. And we start with the one side or the unit side. So 2 times 4 is 8. 5 times 4 is 20, so 0, carry 2. Then 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18, so 8, carry 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. And put this one on the side. Now we do the second part. Now multiply everything by the 2. Let me make this one clear. That is 8. So 2 times 2 is 4. Here don't put any number, so you can put 0. 2 times 5 is 10, so 0, carry 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And then 2 times 1 is 2, so you can have the 2 there. We add that, so 8 plus 0 is 8. So 8, 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 plus 0 is 8. 5 plus 9 is 14. So we put 4, carry 1, and 3. Alright, so now the answer $34,848. That would be C. Okay, number 5. Okay, I'll need to erase this so that we can have enough space. Okay, the question says a carpenter made a drawing. The drawing consists of a rectangle and a triangle as shown. What is the area of the drawing? So we'll start with the area of the rectangle. So area of a rectangle, we know area of a rectangle is length times width. So length is 5 and width is 4. So we do 5 times 4, and that is 20. Then we do area of the triangle. Area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Our base is also the same as the width. So our base is 4. And the height is 8. So 4 times 8 divided by 2. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16. So we have 16 here. And our total area will be, we add those two together, 0 plus 6 is 6. And 2 plus 1 is 3. And then you remember to put your unit, so 36 meters squared. So let's look for the answer. 36 meters squared. The answer would be B. Okay, number 7, sorry. A teacher wrote on the blackboard the following pattern. So we have 30, 32, 36, 44, and 60. What is the next number in the pattern? So we can see that the numbers are increasing, going up. This one is going up by 2. That one is going up by 4. That one is going up by 44 minus 36 will be 8. And then 60 minus 14 is 16. Okay, let's use a different color. Now you notice what is happening. We are doing 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, and then 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2, that is 16. So definitely the next number will be 16 times 2, and we're going to do 16 times 2 is 32. So we do 60 plus 32, and that answer would be 92. All right. So here the right answer is C. Number 8, 4K Club had 2,156 chicks. The chicks were distributed equally among 15 members. How many more chicks will the 4K Club add for all the members to get an equal share? So here we are going to divide, and to the remainder we're going to add the smallest amount or the smallest number so that the number can be divided equally without a remainder. So we're going to do 2156 divided by 15 members. So 15 goes into 21. So we're going to do minus 15 because one time. 21 minus 15 is 6. Drop the 5. 15 can go into 65 4 times because of 60. 65 minus 60 is 5. Then we drop the 6. So 15 can go into 56 3 times, but we'll have 45. So here, what number can we add here to give us a number that is divisible by 15? That would be 4, because 56 plus 4 would be 60, and 60 divided by 15 is 4. So therefore the number that you're going to add is 4. And the answer here will be A. All right, let's go to number 9. Musa drew a rectangle and a square. The rectangle had a length of 24 centimeter and width of 6 centimeter. The rectangle had the same area as the square. What was the perimeter of the square? So we need to find the area of the rectangle, because the area of the rectangle is equal to the area of the square. So we do 24 times 6. All right, 4 times 6 is 24. So 4 carry 2. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 2 is 144. So this will be the area of the square. And one thing we know about squares, they have all sides equal. So to find one side of the square, we're going to do the square root of 144. And the square root of 144 is 12. And you can prove that 12 times 12 is 144. So that's the area of the square. The next part is to do the perimeter. The perimeter of a square is 4 times length. Or rather, you add all the lengths together, L plus L plus L plus L, 4 L's. So in short, you just do 12 times 4. I can do it on this side. So 12 times 4 will be 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. So 48 centimeters. And the answer is B. All right, today we're going to do until number 10. So watch out for the next 2 videos, because this paper has 30 questions. So today we do 10 questions, the next time we do another 10, and finally we finish off with the remaining 10. So we're going to see number 10. Mugambi and Kyoko contributed some money to buy a piece of land. Mugambi contributed 3/8 of the total cost of the land. Kyoko contributed 2/5 of the total cost. What fraction of the cost of land was not contributed? So to find the total cost not contributed, we need to find the total contributed first. So Mugambi contributed 3/8. And if you want to learn how to do addition of fractions, I have a video on that. So make sure you go through my videos, all the videos that I've posted earlier. So here we can use the, we know that the LCM of 8 and 5 is 40. So to make 8 40, we are going to multiply by 5. And whatever you do at the bottom, do the same thing on top. And then 5 times 8 will give us 40, so times 8 and then times 8 on top. So the new fraction will be 3 times 5 is 15 out of 40. And the second fraction, 2 times 8 is 16. Gonna rectify this one. So 16 out of 40. So when the denominators are the same now, you add the numerators. 15 plus 16 will be 31. 31 over 40. So that's the fraction that was contributed. Now, what fraction was not contributed? So total contribution will be 40 over 40, and then we remove 31 over 40, so that we can find how much was not contributed. 40 minus 31 is 9 out of 40. So the answer is A. And you can use the analogy of, if you have a pizza, a full pizza, a very big pizza, the large one, then you cut it into 40 pieces and you guys eat 31 pieces. How many pieces are left? They're going to be 9 pieces out of 40. And that will be it for today's lesson. I hope you've understood something. Make sure if you're in grade 6, make sure you write all the working out. It will help you to remember in case a similar question comes in the exam. This was my first time doing such kind of a video, so give me your feedback if you liked it, and if there's something you want me to change on, just feel free to comment in the comment section. Remember to like the video and stay tuned for the next video. We'll be looking at question number 11 to 20. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.